Hello, this is Miss T, and this is lesson 1 in using your Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to show you how you can find things in your Google Drive. Like if you've done a paper and you typed it in a Google Doc and you can't find it, you can go here to these little hot dog looking things, and it'll have a list of all of the things that you worked on, or you can go over here to recent and it will show you, we'll go back here, and it will show you things in your drive this way. You can go here to Google Apps and see all the apps that are available for you to use. I am going to go ahead and go to show you something in Google Docs. So I'm going to go to New. This plus and New will create a new document. And I'm going to go to Google Docs and click on that. This is what it's going to look like. Now the first thing that you should always do is name your document so that it's easy for you to find. So I'm going to go ahead and name mine Lesson 1. I delete the old one, the old name first. Okay. So up here, you have some different tabs that are useful. This File tab, if someone sends you a document, you can make a copy of it. Or if you are typing something and you're doing some peer editing, you can make a copy and send a copy to your teacher or anyone that you want to send it to. You can download it if you want to use it in a Google slide or something. You can do that, and I'll show you more about how to do that. Down here you can go to page setup and you can change how you want your page to look. Right now it's just automatically in portrait, but you can change it to landscape if you want to do columns or tables, and then it's a sideways piece of paper like a hot dog. I actually want to go back and do it to where it's portrait, so I'm going to go back to page setup and I'm going to change it back to portrait. And this is also where you can change the color of your page. So let's make it blue. And then now my page is blue. Now if you, let's see, let me type something. Lesson 1. I'm going to title it using Google Docs. So if I want to add a picture, I can go here and I can add a picture. Let's see, if I go from my drive, I can go here and I can just look up a picture right here. I don't even have to exit out of this. So let's see, using Google Docs. Let's see what, oh, nothing comes up. Maybe I should spell it right. And then I can click on that picture and it'll pop right in there, but that's not what I want. So then if I don't want that picture, I can click on it and then I can hit delete and that picture will go away. Let's see, let me find another picture. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Drive, and I'm going to look it up right here. Let's look up puppy. Oh, there's Margaret with our cat. That must be in my Google Drive. Let's see, image. I'm going to go to search the web. So I don't have very many pictures in my drive. So I can do that right from here. I don't have to exit out of this. Puppy. Oh, look, I'm going to put this picture of this cute puppy in my doc. And it's a little big, so I'm going to resize it. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go to this corner piece, and I can resize it there using that arrow. And if I have a lot of information, I can move where my picture is by clicking on these down here. Now this is wrapping the text, so that means my text is going to be around the picture. If I do not click that, then my text is going to be all wonky. So I can make sure I click, and then I'm going to put position options, text wrapping, and that way when I type, my typing will go around the picture. Let me show you what that looks like. Now let's see. Move with the text, fix position on page, position options. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to do inline with text, break text. So those are different options. So today I've shown you how to insert a picture into a Google Doc. You can also do this same thing when you are inserting a picture in Google Slides. So that's my lesson for today. Have a great day.